It begins at 8. We're going to be late. Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice Time and Actions. This is video 28 from the series, so be sure to see all the videos in the series. All right, are you ready to practice with me? Yes? Great. Let's do it. The activities. What time does the movie begin? What time does the barbecue begin? What time does the party begin? What time does the game begin? What time does school begin? What time does dinner begin? What time does the concert begin? What time does the show begin? What time does the lesson begin? What time does the meeting begin? What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Conversation time. What time does the movie begin? It begins at 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock? Oh no, we are going to be late. What time does the barbecue begin? It begins at 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock? Oh no, we are going to be late. What time does the party begin? It begins at 2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock? Oh no, we are going to be late. What time does the game begin? It begins at 3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock, oh no, we are going to be late. What time does school begin? It begins at 4 o'clock. At 4 o'clock, oh no, we are going to be late. What time does dinner begin? It begins at 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock, oh no, we are going to be late. What time does the concert begin? It begins at 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock, oh no, we are going to be late. What time does the show begin? It begins at 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock, oh no, we are going to be late. What time does the lesson begin? It begins at 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock, oh no, we are going to be late. What time does the meeting begin? It begins at 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock, oh no, we are going to be late. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. Take it easy. Bye.